This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Have you ever felt that your Audi is not as responsive as it used to be? Acceleration feels slightly slower. Throttle response feels softer. Fuel consumption increases just a little. But there are no warning lights. No error codes. Nothing obvious. So most Audi owners assume everything is normal. But what if the real reason is something you almost never think about? What if a tiny sensor inside your engine is slowly reducing performance without triggering any warning? Because modern Audi engines are not purely mechanical anymore. They are software-controlled systems that rely on dozens of sensors working together. Every second your Audi engine adjusts: fuel injection, air mixture, turbo pressure, ignition timing, transmission behavior, traction systems, emissions control. All of these adjustments depend on sensors sending accurate information to the ECU, the engine control unit. When the information is perfect, the engine operates exactly as Audi engineers designed it. But when a sensor begins to age, get dirty, or send slightly incorrect data, the ECU starts compensating. Not with a warning light, but with reduced performance settings. To protect the engine, the system may reduce turbo boost pressure, adjust ignition timing, change fuel delivery, limit throttle sensitivity. These adjustments are subtle. Most drivers never notice them happening in real time. Instead, they slowly feel that the car is not as sharp as it used to be. Throttle response feels slightly delayed. Acceleration feels a little weaker. Fuel economy becomes less efficient. And because there are no dashboard warnings, many owners assume it's simply normal aging. But in reality, it's often something much simpler. A sensor, a component that costs far less than major engine parts. Yet it controls a large portion of the engine's behavior. Today we're going to talk about 3 sensors that quietly affect Audi engine performance over time. Sensors that rarely trigger error codes, but when their readings slowly drift away from perfect accuracy, the ECU changes how the engine operates. These 3 sensors influence turbo response, fuel mixture, air intake measurements, and if their data becomes inaccurate, your Audi may lose smoothness, efficiency, and responsiveness without you even realizing why. But before we dive into the first one, if you enjoy learning how Audi engineering really works, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it helps the channel continue producing detailed Audi-focused content about performance, reliability, and hidden vehicle systems. In this episode, you'll learn which sensor controls turbo response, which sensor influences fuel efficiency, which sensor can slowly reduce engine power, and how to recognize the early signs before performance begins to fade. Because understanding how these systems work is one of the best ways to keep your Audi performing the way it was designed. Now let's start with the first sensor, and it's one of the most important sensors in the entire engine.
The first sensor we need to talk about is the mass airflow sensor, usually called the MAF sensor. This small component sits between the air filter and the engine intake. Its job is simple in theory, but extremely important. It measures exactly how much air is entering the engine. Why is this so critical? Because your Audi's engine computer needs to know the precise amount of air entering the combustion chamber in order to inject the correct amount of fuel. Too much fuel, and the engine runs rich. Too little fuel, and performance drops. The entire combustion process depends on this balance. When the MAF sensor is perfectly clean and accurate, the engine produces smooth power, efficient combustion, and responsive acceleration. But over time, something happens. Tiny particles from dust, oil vapors, and engine ventilation systems slowly accumulate on the sensor. These deposits are extremely small, but they slightly affect the sensor's readings. Instead of measuring airflow perfectly, it begins sending data that is just a little inaccurate, not enough to trigger an error code, but enough to influence how the engine control unit reacts. The ECU starts adjusting fuel delivery based on incorrect airflow data. And when that happens, the engine may begin to feel slightly different. Throttle response may become softer. Acceleration may feel less immediate. Fuel efficiency may decrease. And yet, everything still appears normal. No warning lights, no fault messages, just a subtle reduction in performance. Many Audi owners begin replacing other components trying to fix the problem. Spark plugs, ignition coils, fuel injectors, even turbo components. But sometimes the issue is simply a dirty or aging MAF sensor. Now let's talk about another sensor that can influence engine performance in turbocharged Audi engines. This one is called the MAP sensor, the manifold absolute pressure sensor. While the MAF sensor measures incoming air before it enters the engine, the MAP sensor measures the pressure inside the intake manifold. In turbocharged engines, this information is extremely important because the ECU must constantly regulate boost pressure produced by the turbocharger. Too much boost can damage the engine. Too little boost reduces performance. The MAP sensor helps the ECU determine how much pressure exists inside the intake system at any moment. If the MAP sensor begins sending slightly inaccurate pressure readings, the ECU will react cautiously. Instead of pushing the engine harder, it will reduce turbo boost levels to protect the system. This means your Audi may feel less powerful during acceleration. Turbo response may feel slower, and once again, no warning lights appear. Just a subtle feeling that the car is not performing as strongly as it used to. But there is one more sensor that plays an equally important role. And this next one doesn't just affect performance. It also influences long-term engine efficiency and reliability. Stay tuned for the next part, where we explore the most critical sensor for your Audi's longevity.
The third sensor that many Audi owners underestimate is the oxygen sensor, often called the O2 sensor. This sensor is installed in the exhaust system. Its role is to measure how much oxygen remains in the exhaust gases after combustion. This information allows the engine control unit to determine whether the air-fuel mixture inside the engine is balanced correctly. In modern Audi engines, maintaining the correct air-fuel ratio is extremely important because it directly affects engine power, fuel efficiency, and turbo performance, emission control, and engine temperature stability. When everything is working correctly, the ECU constantly adjusts the fuel mixture to keep combustion efficient and clean. But oxygen sensors operate in an extremely harsh environment. They are exposed to very high temperatures, combustion gases, and continuous heat cycles. Over time, these sensors slowly lose precision. They may still function, but their readings become slightly delayed or less accurate. And when the ECU receives slightly incorrect oxygen readings, it begins adjusting fuel delivery more conservatively. This means the engine may run slightly richer or slightly leaner than optimal. The result is often subtle, but noticeable over time. Acceleration may feel slightly weaker. Fuel consumption may increase. The engine may feel less smooth under certain driving conditions. Once again, this change usually happens gradually. Drivers rarely notice the exact moment when performance begins to decline. They simply feel that the car no longer feels as sharp as it did before. And because the sensor is still technically working within acceptable limits, no warning light appears. This is why modern engines sometimes feel different even when no faults are detected. The ECU is constantly adjusting parameters to maintain reliability. But when sensor data slowly drifts away from perfect accuracy, the system prioritizes safety instead of maximum performance. And that's why these small components are more important than many people realize. Sensors like the MAP, and oxygen sensor act as the engine's information network. They tell the ECU exactly what is happening inside the engine at every moment. If the information is perfect, the engine performs perfectly. But if the information becomes slightly distorted, the ECU begins making protective adjustments, and performance slowly changes. Understanding how these systems work can help Audi owners better interpret small changes in engine behavior. Sometimes what feels like engine wear or mechanical aging is actually related to electronic inputs and sensor data. Modern vehicles rely heavily on these systems to manage efficiency, emissions, and performance simultaneously. That's why keeping sensors clean, properly maintained, and periodically inspected is an important part of long-term vehicle health. Because even though they are small components, they influence how the entire engine operates. If you enjoy learning how Audi engineering works behind the scenes, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. This channel focuses on real technical explanations, hidden features, and the engineering logic behind Audi systems. And if you drive an Audi, understanding these details can help you keep your car performing smoothly for many years.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.